Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to deposit via web on Bybit. Firstly, go to Assets at the top right hand corner of the Bybit homepage, of course after you log into your account. Then click on Deposit to enter the deposit page. Next, choose the coin you would like to deposit from the list provided. Choose the chain type you wish to use for your deposit. After reading and acknowledging the information message, your Bybit deposit address will be displayed. You can either scan the QR code or copy the deposit address to use as the destination address for sending your funds. By default, deposits are credited to your funding account. To change your default deposit account, follow these steps. Just select where you want your deposits to be auto-channeled, for example spot, derivatives, or other accounts. Go to the settings page under accounts and security to adjust your preferences. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.